So everyone who is here for the first time, good evening. And
good evening, sir. I am here first.
yes, so I received
my
your invite, I remember. Yes. So let's start from you. So what questions you have or what doubts you have?
I have not that actual doubt, but I want to gain some knowledge from you about
Okay.
mathematics.
Tell me. Did you attended the workshop? You are from which place?
I am from Kathmandu, Nepal.
Okay, Kathmandu. We had a workshops in Ataria on 20th, 21st.
Yeah.
So you can see the video. You can see the videos also, and you'll have some knowledge. Otherwise, we have a workshop on Saturday and Sunday, and you can be in touch with Umesh. He'll be guiding you for that. So there you'll be getting a thorough knowledge. 2 days, 6 hours. All the doubts would be cleared, etc. Right. So what do you do?
Okay, sir. Okay. I am teaching, sir.
Which subject?
I am a teacher. Actually, my subject is chemistry. I teach chemistry to bachelor and +2 level. But I also teach mathematics, optional mathematics, and science to the school level, secondary, lower secondary level.
So then it is very useful for you. See, both in chemistry as well as in mathematics. See, Vedic maths, by the name itself, you might be clear that it is helpful in mathematics, but it is helpful in physics and chemistry also. Why? Because we have numericals. And we have often seen medical students, when they appear for physics or chemistry, they are not gaining good marks. Why? Because they are poor in the numericals, right? So maths
Yes, sir.
is very important, and I would say that you should join a workshop, right?
Yes, sir. For that importance of math, I am still teaching math to the secondary level. And although I am teaching chemistry to the +2 level and bachelor level, I'm not leaving the mathematics. And
Maths one cannot leave.
leave.
Maths is a part and parcel of a life, right? So we
Yes,
cannot
sir. Yes.
leave any time. It is just we are not in regular touch with that, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sudeep, you are also, I think, for the first time.
Yes, sir. I am for the first time. Good
Yes,
evening,
Sudeep.
sir.
Good evening. Do you have any questions, any query, any doubts?
No, I don't have any question related, but I wanted to know what is Vedic mathematics. So I joined the session.
Okay. What do you do?
I'm a computer engineer and I'm engaged in teaching field also. I'm a computer teacher.
Okay, you are into computers.
So mathematics, I love mathematics. So I wanted to know what the term Vedic means. So I joined the session.
Okay. Vedic is basically, why it is called Vedic? Because it has been derived from Vedas. You know what are Vedas? In India, we have a holy text. They are known as Vedas. And that is the reason why it is called as Vedic mathematics. So it is an ancient mathematics, and the purpose is just to make your maths easy and faster, simpler. Now you talk about, because okay, you have done BTech or you have done BSc?
I have done bachelor in computer engineering.
So bachelor in computer science, then you might be having M1, maths 1, maths 2, maths 3 papers, right?
Yes,
now,
I have read.
Now the point is calculations. See, calculations are every time. Now also, whenever you are making your programs, then also you need mathematical calculations. And that calculations, to make them faster, to make them mental, we need Vedic mathematics. I'll just give you a simple example. If I ask you what is 5 times 9 into 5 times 8, now for a child it is difficult, but a child from Vedic mathematics, it is very simple. It is 8, 8, 8, 7, and then 1, 1, 1, 1, and last 3. So it becomes so simple. The calculations become so simple that your brain starts working. And the main purpose of any learning, any education is that our brain should work, right? So right brain, left brain, both becomes active, and that is what is the best part in this subject. Apart from it, it gives you a confidence level, a feeling of I can. That is again an important thing which one can think of,
Okay,
right?
sir.
So rest again, I'll also suggest you be in touch with Umeshi. He is looking for Nepal and he'll guide you for the workshops. Every Saturday and Sunday we have a workshop. It is a 3 hours workshop where you learn certain concepts, and thereafter you'll be very much clear how fast you'll start working. Like within 15-20 minutes you'll leave the calculators. You'll be becoming more faster than the calculator. So that is the main importance of this subject, right? Yes,
Okay, sir.
Mr.
Thank
Upender
you.
Adhikari, I think you inquired for franchise today. Yes, Upender. Maniram Ghimre. Anyone else? See, this
Yes,
is your
I
time.
inquired today.
Yes, and it's not today itself. Long time back, around in 2020, you inquired for Guru Sthanam grooming schools also, I suppose.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, so I'm the founder director of that school chain of preschools also, and I was
Okay,
in
happy to
Nepal
see you here.
2 days back. Yeah, I received. So I think Mr. Kumesh might have had a word with you.
Yeah.
Yes. So what questions you have? Apart from financial, you can discuss here. Anything you have in
Yeah,
your
part of
mind?
financial we discussed that time, and few communication gap
No, at
made
that time
with us.
I was not giving a Vedic mathematics franchise. No. At that time, it was
Yeah.
only grooming school, and grooming school was meant for female entrepreneurs, and it was free of cost. We never asked for the payments for that because it was a project which we gave in collaboration with Karnataka state government. So we never
Yeah.
expected any money out of it. But yes, there
Mm.
is a problem when we are not charging anything. But still, if I have to deliver you the books, if I have to send you the books, sending books to Nepal is a big issue. Right.
Okay.
I was there on 20th, 8, 19, 20, 21, 22 in Nepal itself in this Ataria. So what we were seeing is now a packet of 1 kg, 1.2 kg. Now from India, it is, if the books cost is only 1200, the courier charges is 2500 and the postal charges are 800. So that is not viable, right? So we are working on that also, so that some things can come up and then it would be very easy for everybody. So Subarnadeep Sahi, yes, Subarnadeep Sahi.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I want to ask that how can we write the 3-digit table?
Okay, so you saw that concept in the workshop.
Yes, sir.
What number you want me to write?
Sir, 3 to 5.
Just give me a second.
Yes, sir.
I'll not write complete table just for your 325. This is what you are saying.
Yes, sir.
What is the table of 3 now?
3, 6, 9, 12, 15.
Okay,
Uh,
rest you can complete.
Yes,
4,
sir.
6, 8, 10, 10, 15, 20, 25. Is it clear up till here?
Yes, sir.
Now, I told you one single concept is there, that at every place value you have to have one digit. So here unit place, tens place, 100 place. So this is
Yes,
clear
sir.
because at every place value you have one number. So 325 as it is. Now here 0 is confirmed. This one
Yes, sir.
moves here, it becomes
Yes,
5,
sir. 5.
6 as it is. So
Yes,
see
sir.
how simplified your addition becomes. Otherwise, you have to add 325 plus 325 every time.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now 5 as it is, 7, 9. Is it clear up till here?
Yes, sir.
Now 0. 8 plus 2 becomes.
10.
So again 0 and 1 goes further.
Yes, sir.
So that becomes 13.
Yes.
Then 5,
5,
2, 16.
2, 16.
Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So you were there in the seminar.
Yes, sir.
I have not received your review. You should share your video. See, everybody should get help. Now, if you got your query solved, you should also support others so that others get benefited from this.
Okay, sir.
So you are in which standard? Which class?
9 class, sir.
9 from Everest Academy.
No, sir. Durga Lakshmi Academy. Durga Lakshmi.
Durga Lakshmi Academy. Okay, great. Yes, I was there also. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Wait for your video. You can
Yes, sir.
be in touch with Mesa. He is looking,
Yes, sir.
right? Yes, Mani Ram Khimre. Anyone?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Mr. Adhikari.
As how can we divide 3-digit by 2 digits simply?
Now, it depends on the number. Now, if you are talking about dividing by 50, now that is also a 2-digit number. If you are asking about dividing by 25, that is also a 2-digit number. If you are asking about dividing by 10, that is also a 2-digit number. So it depends what number you are expecting. Because what the 3 examples I gave, there you don't have to even divide. It is basically you can solve it with multiplication.
Yeah.
You got my point? See, if you have to divide by 5, 50, 500, 5,000, then you need not to divide basically. You have to multiply the numerator with 2. Correct? And because at the bottom, at the denominator level, it will become either 10, 100, 1,000. Similarly, if you have to divide by 25, you basically have to multiply by 4. That will solve the purpose. If it is 125, 12.5, 1.25 or 0.125 division, then you have to multiply with 8. And now if it is in general, you're talking about any general number, then there are several methods. There are 5 different methods in Vedic mathematics. So for that, you need to go step by step. I'll recommend ask you, because you are looking for math subject, I suppose. You're looking for maths, Adhikari? Yes, Adhikari. Okay, I think he lost the connection. Yes, who's this Oppo A83? Shushmita?
Yes, it's me, Hari Prasad Devkota, sir.
Okay, can you rename yourself, because that becomes very difficult.
Yes, Hari.
Yeah, tell me, Mr. Prashad.
Yes, sir. First of all, good evening.
Good evening.
And I want to be a part of your Vedic mathematics.
Okay.
I just informed today, and now I'm participating your seminar.
This is just a window where you can ask your queries. It is the program. It's known as Ask Me Now, right? But if you want to go for, there are 3 steps basically. First step is
Yeah.
whenever you want to learn something. See, first you should clear all your queries, doubts, questions. Then only you'll able to understand anything. So I don't mix the 2 things. First you should pay and then you should come to the seminar or workshops, and then you'll start thinking, oh, I had these doubts in the mind. So first you should clear all your doubts. Whatever you want to know, this is a platform from where you can ask me any questions, right? Or every
Yes.
Tuesday, every Thursday. So whatever doubt you belong to which place?
Yes, sir. I want to know about about what is the Vedic mathematics. From
You are
there,
from
and
which
I will.
place?
I want to start.
You are from which place, sir?
I'm very new in the subject, sir.
I am saying कहाँ से हो?
Yes, I'm now from.
कहाँ रहते हैं आप?
Yeah, I'm from Gaidakot. Yes, I'm Nepal.
In Nepal, I
Gaidakot.
got it, sir. Nepal, I got it. Okay, very cool. Okay. Now, see, Vedic mathematics.
Gaidakot, nearby
Okay.
Narayanaghat.
Okay. Now, this is Vedic mathematics is nothing but it is a tool which makes your mathematics easy and faster. See, whatever, like just now, Subhanandeep Shahi, he asked a question of tables. Have you written table like this anywhere, anytime? Or did you understand the concept I told? समझ आया वो जो मैंने अभी
Hello.
कराया था? क्या करते हैं अभी आप?
अभी हम पढ़ाते हैं सर.
कौन सा सब्जेक्ट पढ़ाते
संस्कृत पढ़ाते हैं. संस्कृत.
वेरी गुड. ओके, संस्कृत पढ़ाते हैं. तो मैथ्स किसे कभी नाता रहा है?
हाँ, संस्कृत में है ना सर मैथमेटिक्स का. हम वैदिक में मंत्र वगैरह पढ़ते हैं. एकादशमी,
Yes.
तीसरा समय.
yes, that is what सूत्रा. सी संस्कृत तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट लैंग्वेज है. कोई बच्चा बोल ना पा रहा हो तो उसको संस्कृत के श्लोक सिखाओ तो उसकी जबान साफ हो जाती है. इट इज अ टंग ट्विस्टर. आज की डेट में इसे यूज किया जाता है साइंटिफिकली, राइट? ओके, सो वैदिक मैथ्स क्या है? हमारे सूत्रास हैं जो ग्रंथों से, हमारे जो हिंदुस्तान में जो वेद हैं उन वेदों से निकला ये सब्जेक्ट है, राइट? और जिससे हम मैथ्स के इंपॉर्टेंट सभी टॉपिक्स को बहुत इजी और फास्ट मैनर में सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, राइट? तो इसके अभी क्योंकि इंडिया में तो नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी के अकॉर्डिंग ये कंपल्शन हो गया है सब्जेक्ट, बट सो इसीलिए नेपाल में भी अभी जब सेमिनार्स हो रहे हैं तो पीपल आर टेकिंग इंटरेस्ट. अभी अटरिया में हुए थे 30 तारीख को और 21 को. और अभी फ्रेंचाइजिंग, वी हैव स्टार्टेड फ्रेंचाइजिंग आल्सो, सो दैट हर जगह नेपाल में भी इसके स्कूल्स लेवल पर और टीचर ट्रेनिंग लेवल पर कोर्सेज हो सकें. ठीक है?
अच्छा.
क्या नाम क्या बताया आपने?
हरिदेव कोटा.
हरिदेव कोटा. आप उमेश सर से या सुष्मिता से आप इन टच रहो. आप अपना नंबर शेयर कर सकते हो. मेरे ख्याल उन्होंने कितना होगा. उमेश जी ने बोला था आपको?
नहीं, सुष्मिता बोली थी धनगढ़ी की.
सुष्मिता से आप बात कर सकते हैं. शी इज लुकिंग. और वो सैटरडे को जैसे क्लास होती है, सैटरडे संडे सेमिनार्स होते हैं, तो आप वो अटेंड करेंगे तो आपको सारा आ जाएगा मैक्सिमम. और उसमें ये तक सिखाया जाता है ऑनलाइन आपने क्लासेस करनी कैसे हैं, कैसे आपको रन करनी है, किस प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाना है, क्या बेनिफिट्स हैं उसके. क्या और उसके बाद आप छोटे बच्चों को पढ़ाना शुरू कर सकते हैं वर्कशॉप के बाद ही। हाँ, और ज्यादा सीखना हो तो फिर पूरा टीचर ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम होता है सर्टिफाइड, तो वो करीबन 10 से 15 हफ्ते लग जाते हैं। Right? और
Just want to
कुछ
participate with your program Vedic mathematics.
क्यों, वो मैं वही
That's why I-
हूँ ना, वो आप कर सकते हैं, कोई ऐसा डाउट प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। मैं सुष्मिता, आप सर से सुबह फिर बात कर लेना, अगर अभी हो तो अभी कर लेना। सुष्मिता आई दिया
ठीक है
नहीं,
सर।
डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया। तो उमेश जी आप देख लीजिएगा, नहीं तो आप सुमेश को। यस, मनीराम घिमरे, यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस? मनीराम घिमरे, ओके। सुमनादीप, और कोई डाउट आपका, और कोई क्वेश्चन? यस, उपेंद्र। उमेश जी, मनीराम आप के नॉन में है या?
Hello, Maniram sir.
देखा, नेटवर्क उनका नहीं होगा।
Okay, Haridev Kota sir, I messaged you just in a second.
क्या आप लोग कर
Yes,
सकते हैं?
sir.
Okay, I think you got it.
उमेश जी, मैंने एक नंबर अभी भेजा है आपको।
Yes sir.
एक मैं नाम भी बता देता हूँ, अभी आया था मुझे। और किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन है तो करते हैं। यस सुपना देव, आपका?
Subhadandeep Sai is a grade 9 student sir.
हाँ,
9th standard.
he told me, दुर्गा स्कूल से है। मेरे को था क्या ये
DLMC. Principal's office.
बढ़िया है, अच्छी चीज है। Anyone else left? Any questions you have, you can ask me now. Otherwise, we'll discuss. So, Mr. Upendra, we can, I think once they leave, we'll close this and we'll discuss on the financials or whatever. So, any further questions? I think So half an hour is sufficient today. Right. So we can, I think, and we can close it. No doubts left, no questions left. If yes, Meshi.
Sir, I don't have today. So
Okay. I'll just stop the recording and then we can discuss with Dipendra.